We continue exercise 8.1. So in the last video we were completed question number 8. Let us see question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. Right angle at B. In triangle ABC, B is a right angle. If tan A equals to 1 by root 3. If tan A equals to 1 by root 3. The value of tan A is given 1 by root 3. Find the value of the first part is sin A into cos C. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. We have to find the value sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, and then second cos A into cos C. Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So we have given a right triangle in which angle B is 90 degree. ABC. Angle A is acute and we have given here angle B is 90 degree. We have given tan A. This angle A. Tan A equals to, we know the formula for tan. For acute angle A, this is perpendicular, this is base. The formula for tan is perpendicular upon base, which is given 1 by root 3. So the value of perpendicular will be 1 multiplied by k, it gives k, and the value of base is under root 3k. Now we calculate hypotenuse. AC will be calculated. So AC hypotenuse equals to under root of base square plus perpendicular square. So the value of AB is root 3k the whole square, and BC is 1, so 1 the square. So we get 3, 1 no but k, BC is k. So 3k square plus k square, and we get root 4k square, and the value of AC will be 2k. The square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of k square is k. So we get the value of AC is 2k. Now we calculate the value of sin A cos C. So the value of sin A. Sin A equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is k and hypotenuse is 2k. So we get 1 by 2. Then the value of cos C. For acute angle C, cos C equals to base upon hypotenuse. For this angle, AB will be the perpendicular and BC will be the base. So base is k and hypotenuse is 2k. So again we get 1 by 2. Then we calculate value of cos A. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. Cos A means we have to take this acute angle, and for this angle base is root 3k and hypotenuse is 2k. So base is under root 3k and hypotenuse is 2k. So we get under root 3 by 2. Then we find the value of sin C perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For this angle C, perpendicular is root 3k. So root 3k and hypotenuse is 2k. So it comes root 3 by 2. Now write the expression. This is sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, and put the value of sin A. Sin A is 1 by 2, cos C is 1 by 2, plus cos A is root 3 by 2, and sin C is also root 3 by 2. So 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4. LCM 4, 1 plus 3, 4 by 4. And we get the result 1. So the answer of the first part is 1. Now for second part, there is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. The value of cos A, is root 3 by 2. The value of cos C is 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. The value of sin A is 1 by 2. And the value of sin C is root 3 by 2. So we get root 3 by 4 and minus root 3 by 4, which gets cancelled in plus minus, and the result comes to be 0. So the answer of the second part is 0. Now we discuss question number 10. Question number 10. This is also important question in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. Right angle at Q. Q is 90 degree. Angle Q is 90 degree. PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters. PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters. The value of PR plus QR is 25 centimeters and PQ equals to 5 centimeters. And the value of PQ equals to 5 centimeters. Then find the value of sin P, cos P, tan P. Then find the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. We have to find the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. So draw the diagram in triangle PQR. Right angle at Q, P, Q and R. This is right angle Q. And PR plus QR, we have given right angle at Q. PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters. So let QR equals to x centimeter. We suppose QR equals to x centimeter. So we have given PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeter. And we have supposed QR equals to x centimeter. So PR plus x, put the value of QR, which is x, equals to 25. And the value of PR, we get 25 minus x centimeter. This is the value of PR. So we get the value of PR, 25 minus x centimeter. And the value of PQ is given. The value of PQ is 5 centimeter. This is x centimeter. So we use the Pythagoras theorem. So we can write hypotenuse square equals to base square and plus perpendicular square. The value of PR is 25 minus x the whole square. The value of PQ is 5, so 5 square. And the value of QR is x square. Now we expand on the formula a minus b the whole square. The value of PR plus QR is 25. Okay. We expand on the formula a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab, 2 into 25 into x, plus b square means x square equals to 5 the square, 25 plus x square. From both sides x square gets cancelled. And 25 the square, 625. 25 the whole square, 625, and 25 into 2, 50x. So minus 50x and equals to 25. 625 minus 50x equals to 25. So 625 and 25 will go on left side and 50x will go on right side. So we get 50x equals to 625 minus 25, which is 600. And the value of x, 600 by 50, which is 12. So we get the value of x equals to 12 centimeter. The value of x is 12 centimeter. So QR equals to 12 centimeter, because we have supposed QR equals to x, and the value of PR is 25 minus x. So 25 minus 12, it gives 13 centimeter, and the value of PQ is already given, which is 5 centimeter. Then we have to find the value of sin P, and sin P is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So for this acute angle P, QR is perpendicular and PR is hypotenuse. So perpendicular QR and hypotenuse is PR. The value of QR we have calculated 12. And the value of PR is 30. So sin P comes to be 12 by 30. Then we have to find cos P. And cos P equals to base upon hypotenuse. Base is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. The value of PQ is 5. And the value of PR is 30. Then we have to calculate tan P, and tan equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is QR and base is PQ. The value of QR is 12 and the value of PQ is 5. So this is the result. Now we talk about trigonometric table. How to make trigonometric table? Trigonometric table. Next exercise based on trigonometric table. Here we write 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And the value of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So, how to make the trigonometric table? How to make the trigonometric table? We have not to learn the whole table. Only first row you have to remember. The value of sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. This you have to keep in mind. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree is 1. This you have to remember, learn only. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. To write the value of cos, you will write in reverse order. So the value of 1 which is in last would be written first. Then the value of root 3 by 2 is written in the second. 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2 and then 0. So this is the table of cos. Cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. To write the value of tan, we divide sine by cos. We divide the sine by cos. So 0 divided by 1 means 0 upon 1, 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled and we get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. We get 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel and we get root 3. 1 divided by 0, not defined. ND means not defined. 1 upon 0 is not 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. 0 upon 1 is 0. But 1 upon 0 is not defined. It is also represented by infinity. To write the value of cot, we will write in reverse order. So this is last term ND would be written first, then root 3, then 1, then 1 by root 3, then 0. To write the value of cot, we will write the value of tan in reverse order. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So this is 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. We have to make the reciprocal of the value of cos. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. and here is 0 upon 1. 0 upon 1. So reciprocal of 0 upon 1 is 1 upon 0, and 1 upon 0 is again not defined. So this is not defined. Now to write the value of cos A, we make the reciprocal of the value of sine. So here 0 by 1, make its reciprocal, it becomes 1 by 0, and 1 by 0 is again not defined. The reciprocal of 1 by 2, it becomes 2. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2, this is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. So this is the way to constitute the trigonometric table. Only one term. The first row you have to learn. Sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91. To write the value of cos, we will write in reverse order. The value of sine will be written in reverse order. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. To write the value of tan, we divide sine by cos. 0 divided by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. It comes 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 gives 1. Root 3 divided by 1 by 2, it gives root 3. 1 divided by 0, not defined. To write the value of cot, we will write the value of tan in reverse order. Not defined. Root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. To write the value of sec, we make the reciprocal of the value of cos. So reciprocal of 1 is 1, reciprocal of this 2 by root 3, reciprocal of 1 by root 2, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, and there is 0 upon 1, whose reciprocal is 1 by 0, not defined. And to write the value of cosec, we make the reciprocal of the value of sine. So this is the trigonometric table which we use in exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2. We use the value of trigonometric table. The first question is evaluate and the first part of this question, sin 60 degree cos 30 degree. Sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. So write the value. The value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Here is multiplication sign. The value of cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2. The value of sin 30 degree, 1 by 2. And the value of cos 60 degree, which is also 1 by 2. The value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Solve this. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 1 multiplied by 1, 2 into 2, 4. Taking LCM 4, we get 3 plus 1, which is 4 by 4. It gets cancelled and the result comes to be 1. 1 is ours. Next question. 2 tan square 45 degree. 2 tan square 45 degree. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So put the value 2 as it is and tan square 45 degree. The value of tan 45 is 1 and there is the square. So make the square of 1 plus cos square 30 degree. The value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So make it a square, root 3 by 2 the whole square. minus sine square 60 degree. The value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and make it a square. So 2 into 1 the square 1 plus root 3 the square 3, 2 the square 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 cancelled, and the result we get 2. 2 is the answer. Part 3, cos 45 degree. Cos of 45 degree. Cos of 45 degree upon cos of 45 degree upon sec 30 degree upon sec 30 degree and plus cosec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So we write the value of cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 upon sec 30 degree. The value of sec 30 degree 2 by root 3 plus the value of cosec 30 degree is 2. So 1 by root 2. Here is nothing, that we can write 1, take LCM, root 3 is the LCM, we get 2 plus 2 root 3. Then we write in multiple form, 1 by root 2 into, it becomes reciprocal, root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Then it gives root 3 upon root 2, and from these two terms we can take 2h common, so it gives 1 plus root 3. So root 3 upon 2 root 2 and 1 plus root 3. Root 3 upon 2 root 2 upon 1 plus root 3. Now we rationalize. We multiply numerator and denominator by root 2. So we get root 3 into root 2, root 6 upon root 2 multiplied by root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2, and 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So 4 times of 1 plus root 3. So root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2. And then 2 into 2 we get 4. So root 6 upon 4, 1 plus root 3. It also rationalized again by 1 minus root 3. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 minus root 3. Opposite sign of 1 plus root 3. So we get root 6 into 1, root 6 minus root 6 into root 3, root 18 upon 4. This will be expanded on the formula a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, which is a square, 1 square, minus b square. So root 3 the whole square. Root 3 the whole square, 3. Then we get root 6 minus root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. How it can be written as 3 root 2? Make the factors of 18. It goes by 9. It goes by 3. For 2 times 3, 1 times 3 will come outside the root. And a single term which remains, it becomes in a square root. Upon 4. And 1 minus 3. 1 square 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. From numerator, we take minus as common. We get 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon minus of 8. Minus and minus cancelled. And the result which we get 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. So this is the correct answer. 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8.